So hello everyone, our topic for this video is Perpetual Calendar. But before that, I am Edna Paner, your discussant for this video. So before anything else, we need to identify first the objective here. So at the end of this topic, you should be able to identify what is perpetual calendar. Next is solve the given formula to determine the day of the week in a year. And last is finish the task that is given. So, what is perpetual calendar? It says here that it is a calendar to allow the calculation of the day of the week for a given date in the future. So we will use the formula to determine that matter. So before we proceed for that calculation, let's have a glimpse from the history we have here. So in the past, there are lots of argument happened way back then, before this introduction of perpetual calendar. So to remedy this, in 1582, Pope Gregory set up a new calendar. So he introduced Gregorian calendar that the century is divisible by 400 as leap years. All non-century years divisible by 4 are also leap years, like 1600s, 1776, and 2000. Gregorian calendar is now used throughout the world, but in 1582, not all adopted it everywhere. So, in Great Britain, it was 1752 when they start to adopt it, while in Japan was 1873, and Soviet Union and nearby countries in 1917. So now going back, in order for us to determine the day of the week, we have to assign numbers to the day of the weeks and month. So we have here 0 is for Sunday, 1 is for Monday, 2 is for Tuesday, 3 is for Wednesday, 4 is for Thursday, 5 is for Friday, and 6 is for Saturday. So for the month is, let's start with March. So first, 1 is for March, 2 is for April, 3 is for May, 4 is for June, and 5 is for July, 6 August, 7 September, 8 October, 9 November, 10 December, 11 January, and 12 is for February. Let's now proceed to the formula, which is D equals R plus absolute value of 2.6 m minus 0.2 minus 2c plus d plus absolute value of c over 4 plus absolute value of d over 4 mod 7. So in the formula, D is for the day of the week, R is given day of the given month, M is number code of the given month, which is we had earlier, C is equals to the first 2 digit of the year, and D is last 2 digit of the year. So let's try. Example of find the day of the week you were born and your birthday this year. So in my case, I was born on March 31, 2002. So with the given formula, our R here is 31 and M is equals 1, C equals 20, and D is 3.
Now plug in with the formula, which is D equals 31 plus 2.6 times 1 minus 0.2 minus 2 times C plus D plus absolute value of C over 4 plus absolute value of D over 4 mod 7. Then simplify everything, which we will came up with 1 mod 7, which is equal to 1. So it means that I was born Monday, March 31, 2003. So now let's find the day of the week of my birthday this year. So same process, but this time the value of D is equal to 23. So D equals 31 plus absolute value of 2.6 times 1 minus 0.2 minus 2 times 20 plus 23 plus absolute value of 20 over 4 plus absolute value of 23 over 4 mod 7. So now simplify everything and we came up with the answer of D equals 26 mod 7, which is equal to 5. So 26 mod 7 is 5, which means that my birthday this year falls on Friday. And now for your task, I will give you 3 minutes to solve the problem, or you can pause this video to have more time. Then let me know your answer by commenting on the chat box. And that's it. Just comment your birthday, and using this formula, I will check your answer. And thank you for watching. Bye!